Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, this is a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It has two squares like this, so it's 2 by 2 by 2. So it's basically a Rubik's Cube, but it doesn't have the edges. So here, it's just only the corners. It doesn't have the edges and it doesn't have the centers. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, I got it all shuffled up, and so before we start learning it, I need to show you, you need to learn some notations, which we're going to use for algorithms. If you don't know what an algorithm is basically a sequence of moves that you use to solve it. So, let me tell you the notations. So the first one is R. So R means the right side turn clockwise. And then that's R prime, which is the same thing, anti-clockwise, 90 degrees. Then there's U, which is the top side clockwise, 90 degrees. And then U prime, which is the top side anti-clockwise, 90 degree. Okay. There's L, which is the left side clockwise, 90 degrees. And then L prime, which is the left side 90 degree anti-clockwise. There is F, which is the front. F is clockwise, 90 degree. And F prime is anti-clockwise, 90 degree. Then there's B, which is the back. So B will be this clockwise, and B prime will be anti-clockwise. And then there's D, the last one, that's down. So D will be this clockwise, and D prime will be anti-clockwise. So that's basically it. I got the whole cube shuffled up. So yeah, let's just get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to solve the white layer. If you don't know what the white layer is, it's basically the white side and all of the things around it. So the first thing you need to do is find a white piece. So as you can see, I found one right here. So after this you need to find another white piece that will go right next to it. So this is white and green, so this one will also be white and green. So we need to find the piece that has white and green. So it's this one. So this piece should come here. So for that we need to move it under its slot. So for that we need to move it to the bottom layer. So we just turn it and it's in the bottom layer, and then we bring it below its slot. So like this. No, not yet. This. Yep, there you go. It's below its slot. So then we need to face the white. Okay, and then we do this. So we move this. So if you just do it like this, if you just move it down, it will go here. So we can't do that. So what we need to do is move it out of the way, then move it down, then put it back in, and then move it back up. So now these two are paired up. Now we need this one. So this one is white and red, so this one also needs to be white and red. And oh, it's already in the correct place, but it's flipped. So let's just bring it below its slot. There we go, it's below its spot. Yeah, so this is a special case. If you see that the white is flipped, the white is facing down, what you need to do is do it twice. So move it out of the way, put it down, put it in, put it back up. Alright? Oh wait, never mind, not twice. What you need to do, don't mind that technical difficulties. Alright, what you need to do, if it's facing down, is move it down, okay, put it in, and put it back up, then put it down again, move it again, put it back up, and then put it back. So it's a little bit complicated, but if you pay attention, you can do it. So it's over here now. So now this needs to go here, so we face the white, move it out of the way, move it down, move it in, and move it back up. It's a little confusing, but if you just, if you practice, it'll be easy. So this one's, again, facing down. So put it down, move it in, put it up, again, put it here, then move it up and put it back. And then it's this normal case, move it out of the way, put it in. Make sure before we do that, you have to face the white, and the rest of it should be top. Move it out of the way, move it down, put it in, and put it back up. So yeah, that's the white layer complete. The next step in solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube is to solve the yellow layer. Okay, so what you need to do is if you already solved the white layer, put it down. Okay, it should be down. So then what you need to do is look how many yellows are over here. So if you see one yellow, like me, you need to put it to the bottom left, okay, and do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and that solves the yellow side. But sometimes you might get there's no yellow on the top. In that case, what you need to do is put one yellow in front of you in the top left, yeah. Put in front of you, not here, over here, okay, and then do the algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and then there's 2. So when there's 2, what you need to do is do the same thing. Put it here. Put a yellow here. There you go. That's yellow. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, and as you can see, now I have 1. So I put it in the bottom left. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Again, I have 1. Put it in the bottom left. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So yeah, that just solves the whole yellow side. Alright, so after solving the yellow side, we need to solve the rest. So we need to solve the whole there. So what you need to do is, if you have one completed side other than white and yellow, if you have one whole completed side, like for example, if there's 2 green over here, put that side back and do it. But for me, I don't have that, so I have to do this twice. R prime, F, R prime, F2, R, U prime, R prime, F2, R2, yeah, there you go, R2 again. Alright, so now I have the green done, so I match it up and then put it behind. Remember, white down, yellow on top, and the green behind. So if it's blue, if it's not green, if it's blue, then put the blue behind. But for me, since it's green, I put it back. Okay, R prime, F, R prime, F2, R, U prime, R prime, F2, R2, and then as you can see, it's done. And there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm recently starting out, so yeah, just show me a little bit of support. I also have another tutorial of how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'll put the link of that in the description. So yeah, there's also just one last step remaining, and that is to subscribe. So yeah, subscribe, and goodbye.